Hi, I'm Carl Conrad, an immigration specialist with over 23 years experience in helping people obtain their dreams of moving to Australia. Today we're talking about the 191 visa and are there any residency requirements which need to be met. There is so much misinformation out there, I'm making this video to set the record straight. Quite a number of people I've had consultations with believe that to apply for the 191 visa they need to live for 3 years in a designated area of Australia. In many cases people think that it is a literal 3 years. No days spent outside of Australia is allowed. This could not be further from the truth. But where on earth are people getting this from? Well, it's because of this. The 191 visa has in fact two streams, or pathways I like to call them as a better term. The regional provisional stream is for people who hold the 491 visa and 494 visa, and the Hong Kong stream are for those from Hong Kong who have resided in Australia on certain visas. Because we have these two pathways, there is a great confusion about the requirements for each of them. And this comment here does not help. You must have lived for at least 3 years in a designated regional area. A consultation client pointed this page out to me and I could not believe my eyes. No wonder people are confused out there. This is completely wrong. In fact, it should be on the other side of the page for the Hong Kong stream, not the regional provisional stream side. The regional provisional stream of the 191 visa has no residency requirement. Let me repeat that again. It has no residency requirement. You must hold the 491 or 494 visa for at least 3 years before you can apply for the 191 visa, but that does not mean you need to be in Australia for all of that time. Let me quickly explain about the Hong Kong stream and you will see where the confusion has set in. In summary, the Hong Kong stream has a residency requirement. The provisional regional stream does not. I will leave a link in the description below to the law relating to the 191 visa and the two stream requirements so you can see it for yourselves. Don't just trust what I'm saying. Under the Hong Kong stream, the law stipulates that you have been usually resident in a designated regional area of Australia for a continuous period of at least 3 years immediately before you actually apply for the visa. The term usually resident is not defined in the migration regulations, so it adopts a common law meaning. As the Immigration Department has already pointed out, it is where a person eats, sleeps and has a home. In essence, it does not mean that you cannot spend time overseas, so for perhaps holidays or some other temporary purpose. Now, the second major confusion between the requirements for the regional provisional stream and the Hong Kong stream is this. This visa does not commence until the 16th of November 2022. Well, I hate to break it to the department, but the 191 visa opened in March of 2022 for the Hong Kong stream. However, this statement, more details will be provided in due course, leaves much to be desired. The laws for the 191 visa were introduced to Parliament back in September of 2019. All of the requirements were laid out and the Parliament's explanatory statement was also provided. So why is this information not here? Don't those who hold their 491 or 494 visas for nearly 3 years deserve to know how they are going to apply for their permanent residency? Don't they deserve to know if they will meet the eligibility requirements? As immigration professionals, we are not allowed to solely rely on information published on the Immigration Department's website. To do so would be professionally negligent. We must rely on what is written in the legislation, published in departmental policy documents, and what common law precedents exist out there. You can see here this example today how wrong it would be if we gave advice based upon the department's website information. So for the Hong Kong stream, yes, 3 years of being usually resident in a designated area, but not for the regional provisional stream which the 491 and 494 visa holders will use. And remember, I am only talking about one particular issue with these 191 visa streams. Is there a residency requirement? There are many other requirements, so be sure you are well prepared in applying for the 191 visa. If you need help, we are always here. Book a time at australiavisa.com, but if you need a more urgent appointment time, please call us to see if we have space. To support our channel, don't forget to hit that like icon, and those who have not done so already, please subscribe. As always, take care out there and I'll see you next time, so bye for now.